Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to recover deleted photos on your iPhone. This is actually not just deleted photos, but all deleted files using an app called iRecovery. And when you open it up, as you can see, it will show you all of your deleted content, and then you can actually recover that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. I got 88 deleted photos at the moment, and I'm going to recover them. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's get right into the video. It's fully working. So let's do it. We're gonna do I don't know how to do this really. Whatever. Anyway, I think I recovered them. Yeah, 288 deleted photos. We're gonna do recover. Bang, let's see what happens. I don't think it will work honestly, but maybe it will work. And no, it didn't work. What is going on? Alright, I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Alright, and no results? What? I thought it was gonna work. Oh my gosh, look, all my photos are back. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. It's super insane and it fully works. So basically what we need to do is go to this zoomods.com site. They have a ton of mods for apps and games. So once you're on this site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in, I believe it's recovery. So as you can see, there it is. So there you go. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It fully works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys, and I recovered all my deleted stuff, all of it. As you can see, all these pictures, these were in the deleted, they were in recently deleted, then they were removed from recently deleted, and they were just straight up gone, bro. But now I got them back, so be sure to go ahead and try this out, guys. It is super insane, and this fully works, guys. So be sure to go ahead and get the word out, because this is super crazy. All you gotta do is go over to the search bar and type in iRecovery, and it should come right up. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super crazy. And it's a fully working app to recover deleted pictures. So as you can see, I got all these pictures back. I didn't have to worry about them being gone, even though these are gone, bro. But I got them all back. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe, guys, because I'm always coming out with new videos for you guys on how to get like mods and stuff. So yeah, it's super cool, guys, so be sure to get the word out. It's just super insane. I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out.